Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to make your own double-sided PCB at home? Throughout this project, your questions will be answered, along with a GPS speedometer of your own. For this project, you'll need Arduino Pro Mini, Type-C connector, a button, W3011 antenna, U-Blox Neo-6m, switch, double-sided presensitized PCB, links for the components will be available in the description. I used Easy EDA for making the schematic and layout of the PCB. The link will also be in the description. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.